I need to replace the fascia control panel on my Bosch dishwasher. I have the part, but I don't know how to remove the cracked panel.
To access the control panel or board, just open the door and remove all the screws around the border of the door except the two down by the bottom of the door hinge. These two should only be loosened. Once you have those out, remove the two coming in from the sides of the control panel, left and right. The control panel will then pull off and you can access the control board inside. Remove the control panel and there are 3 tabs on the bottom of the control board that you need to depress. Push on the tabs and remove the control board and it should separate. Now to remove the fascia, you will need to remove the latch and the start button. There are plastic clips all throughout the front cover holding the fascia onto the plastic bracket backing. To press all these clips, separate the fascia and replace it.
We've tried this. We depressed the clips all across the top, but the fascia board still wouldn't release.
There are more clips than just across the top. There are some on the sides and some near the latch area, I believe. You need to release all the clips with a flathead screwdriver and then it will just pop off.
We got it on now, but one button on the control panel is loose, and the regular wash light is flashing.
Turn the circuit breaker off for 60 seconds to see if the light stops flashing. If not, you might have a shorted control board because there is no reason the light should be flashing. As for the button being loose, you might need to remove the control board and see what's going on. Sometimes the plastic case around the board gets brittle and breaks, then you'd need a new control board.
Okay. Thanks for the help.
No problem, and I wish you the best of luck.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.